Hi my YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So this video is just a quick little update about my locks and what they look like at around the 16-month mark. So I am absolutely loving everything about my locks, from the texture to the length to the curls to the knot curls. Like, I just love everything about my locks, and I'm super satisfied with my decision to lock my hair. And it's been a journey that I did and I just haven't looked back on. Like, when I look at pictures of my loose natural hair, I do not miss it. Like, I loved my natural hair. It wasn't even, I didn't lock my hair because I was tired of dealing with my hair. I just honestly wanted a change, and I just decided to do microlocs. But I love my locks just as much as I love my loose natural hair, if not more. Like, my locks just, we go together like super glue. Like, I love them, and I feel like it was just in alignment with where I was in my life. And even now, continuing on the journey, it just feels right. You know, it just feels right. I feel like that's the best way I can describe it. So if you can't really tell, my color is kind of fading, because if you don't know, before I started my locks, my hair was like a blonde kind of color. Like, it was growing out from honey blonde, and then I put box dye over it before I started my locks, and then I started my locks. And I've box dyed it jet black a couple times since I had my locks, but over time the color just fades a little bit, which I really don't mind. I do love my jet black. Like, I'm going to eventually re-dye it, because that fresh jet black just is something that's just indescribable. It looks so amazing. Here it still looks good, but you can tell it's kind of like a faded black kind of thing. But nonetheless, I absolutely love my locks. We are, like I said, almost to 2 years. We'll be 2 years in June. We still have a little ways to go before we're at 2 years, but that's besides the point. Also, I also wanted to thank each and every last one of you for supporting me on this journey. Like, I absolutely love receiving your questions and your comments, whether it be about your lock journey or you're asking me about what I did to achieve my locks. I absolutely love the community that we've built here. It's almost 7,500 of us, and that just amazes me. And we built a community basically centered around my locks and your lock journey, or just if you just wanted to watch my locks. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for just liking a video, commenting on a video, sharing a video. All of that really warms my heart. And then even some of us have formed relationships outside of YouTube. Like, we've taken it to the Instagram DMs, where you share pictures with your locks. And if you're somebody who just wants to share your locks with me, then definitely feel free to do so. I literally love interacting with you guys. It makes my heart smile, honestly. But yes, I'm just showing you the ends, what my ends look like, what my scalp looks like, what everything looks like, because I feel like I haven't really given like a full look through in a minute. But yes, guys, this concludes this video. It's literally just a simple walkthrough of my locks. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. And I'm just super confident with my locks. Like, there's nothing you can't tell me about me or my locks. There's nothing you can tell me about me or my locks, because yeah.